Found myself stranded in visions of your mysterious stare. Beautiful.
Hi, Ate Princess. Happy birthday. I love you.
Left me in awe of you.
Happy birthday, Ate Princess. So, karon 17 na ka and I hope na this 17 or this coming 17 ay mag-unong maglawas o madaya mo ko sa imong studies o sa imong dreams o sa imong paon. I hope ma-achieve sa nimo ang imong goal. O I hope na happier gyapon ka sa always. Brother is Bye.
Nobody's made me feel this way before.
Happy birthday, Ate Princess. Hope you are in good health. And thank you for being my ate always. And study hard and you're gonna achieve your goals. And enjoy your day. And thank you, Ate Princess. Happy birthday. Bye. Happy birthday. Be strong and be safe and be healthy always. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Princess. Happy 17th birthday to you. I hope na tagaan pa ka ni God o taas o healthy na kinabuhi o may ma-achieve ni mo imong dreams, goals sa mong life. O always remember na naara ko sa imo ha, mo support o dagan kayo nag-love sa imo ha. Again, happy 17th birthday, Ate Printed. Love, Fati.
My life, have I been more sure?
Hello anak, Princess. Happy birthday to you. Hinaot me, ako, mingon nga ikaw ang malipayon sa imong birthday karong adlaw. Manghinaot me sa imong mama na ikaw tagaan ka og maayong panlawas o taas na kalubuhi sa Ginoo. Kining tanan ang paningkamot para sa inyo aron kamo matagan na mo o kaugmaon. Salamat sa imong suporta diri kang mama sa imong maigsuon. Kining tanan gibuhat nimo aron sa pagtabang nimo sa mga ginagmay nga kinahanglanon sa atong pamilya. Usman ko, mahinaot ko nga ikaw magulipayan sa iyong birthday. Happy birthday. And God bless to you.
Nobody's made me feel this way